Hi, welcome to another video. So in today's video we are going to see how we can speed up our system. Okay, so usually what happens, okay, sometimes we just feel like our system is working very slow. Okay, so how to speed up that system we will see in this video. Okay, so there are 4 or 5 methods I have listed here. Okay, so what you can do in these things. Okay, the first thing is like, okay, disabling the unwanted startup programs. Okay, because there are like some startup programs out there, okay, which will start when the windows will get started. Okay, so disable them. Okay, you have to go to the task manager, then you have to come to the startup tab. Okay, so here you will see some programs, okay, which are enabled on the startup but actually they are not needed. Okay, let's say like the Cortana is not needed. Okay, the OneDrive is not needed, let's say the phone link is not needed, and the Skype is not needed. Okay, so if you will disable them, what will happen, okay, during the boot up thing, and you will see your system is getting boot up very fastly. Okay, so how to disable them? Just right click and say disable. Okay, let's say like the age I want to be okay enabled, but the OneDrive I don't want, so I will disable it. Then phone link I don't want, I will disable it. Skype I don't want, I will disable it. Okay, and leave like the necessary things enabled only, and the one which are you say like the not needed, you can disable them. Okay, so in this way you will see the system performance getting a little bit faster with this thing. Okay, so let's move to the second point. Okay, clearing the prefetch. Okay, so when you will clear the prefetch, okay, you will also see that the system is working a little bit a bit slow, faster, okay, than the previous. So how to do that? Okay, you have to come to the start menu, right click on it, click on run, type in prefetch. Okay, I will list all the thing in description also. Okay, so just take this and then say okay. There will be a pop. Okay, so once this window is open, what you need to do, you need to just select all, right click and say delete. Okay, and leave the things which are not able to delete because it is currently in use, leave them there. Okay, so this is the second step how you can make the system performance better. Now let's move to the third point. Okay, that is deleting the unnecessary temp files. Okay, so how to delete them? Okay, you need to open run, you need to type in this one and then delete everything from there. So like right click, run, here type in temp %temp. Okay, so whatever you are seeing, say Ctrl+A, right click and delete. Okay, so which are not getting moved, leave it them. Okay, deleted, you just close this folder. Okay, so the next step is yep, okay, this is not the step actually. Okay, and this is the fourth step. Okay, the fourth step is to like you can also increase the virtual memory of your system. This will also help you to faster your computer speed. Okay, so here is the link I am giving in the description. You can go to this video and there you will be able to see how we adjust the virtual memory of your system. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.